Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today's drawing will be N from Alphabet Lore. We're going to start off the left of the page and we're going to draw in a big square. Let's start off with the top of the square. Around here, that's enough, and then let's add a little curve on each side of this line to round out our square. We're going to draw either side, like so, and finally the bottom line for our rounded square. Once your square is done, let's add in a line towards the top, maybe closer to the top, straight line across, and for the eye we just need a smaller square on the inside. Once you have these shapes done, we just need a little circle for the highlight, and go ahead and fill in the eye. With one of our eyes done, let's move over to the right side of the page and draw in the same exact eye. Starting from the top, down to the side, bottom, and back up to connect. And repeating the eyelid, let's go across, draw in the eye, circle for the highlight, and fill in the rest of the eye. Once both eyes are done, let's move over to this side. And starting from the center of the eye, we want to go up just a little bit and then go across for the start of our N. And then from here, we're going to go down to this point. From the center of this line around to the right, we're going to go right up to around here. And you want to stop. And then we want to go to the right a little bit. And then back down to the center of the right eye. With these lines done, let's continue this straight line all the way down for the bottom of our N, and then back across like so. Let's move over to the left side and continue this line down, and if you do the same thing, go down, then we want a little bit of the bottom of the N across but not connected because we need to draw the centers part. So from here we want to go up to around this point. You want to stop here because we need the mouth of our N. The mouth is just going to be two parallel lines going up and down, and then cap it with a notch up here. And once you're done with the mouth shape, we just need the teeth, which is going to be 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Once you're done with the mouth, we want to go from this point and connect it to the rest of the N to complete our basic N. I want to add some depth, so let's go from this corner at the bottom, go up, and let's go back up to create some depth in that line, and we want to repeat the same on the right. Go up all the way to the eye, skip the middle of the eye, go past it, and then connect it back to this corner. Then we need the top of this pillar, and let's draw the same top on this side with these 2 diagonal lines and connect. Once you're done with the top, we just need one more line to complete our N, like so. Once your N is complete, add some color. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have suggestions for any other videos, please leave in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.